Oh, did anyone lose a ball?
Barney!
Oh, hi there, everyone. It's good to see you. Tickle.
Thanks, Barney. It goes in this pile. Isn't it huge?
My, it certainly is.
It's everything we need to play any kind of game.
But why are you making such a big pile of things to play games with?
We're not.
Well then, who is making this pile?
He is!
Who is?
BJ!
Oh, gangway! Here comes some more stuff!
Oh, hi, BJ.
Hi, Barney. Guess I got a little carried away, huh?
Well, maybe just a little.
Yeah, little. What's all this for?
Well, Barney is always telling us that it's good to exercise. And my favorite way to get exercise is by playing sports and games.
But why did you bring out so many things?
I didn't know what game we might want to play, so I just grabbed everything.
I see.
We should look through these things to help choose.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And whatever we decide to play, I know we'll have fun. Because we'll be playing with friends. Thanks. When we're together, there's nothing better than playing a game with a friend.
With games we all know, we can get up and go. We can make up new games and pretend.
Laughing and running or singing a song. Climbing and jumping all day long.
As long as we're playing together, playing games. There's nothing like playing games. Everyone loves to play games. Let's keep on playing our games. See what else we can play. Oh, is that over there?
Oh, yeah.
Dancing along, we could play all day long. We never get tired of the fun.
There's always a new game or one with a new name. A game we can teach everyone.
There are many outdoor games that we love to play.
And others we save for a rainy day.
As long as we're playing together, playing games. There's nothing like playing games. Everyone loves to play games. Let's keep on playing our games. There's so many here. Let's see.
I'm still not sure what game to play. Then let's keep looking through these things and see what we can find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great idea.
Oh, I'll go see if there's anything else in the caboose.
And I'll
Barney, do you know where Jackson went?
Oh, well, he said he had an idea for a game we could play. But first, he needed to get something out of the caboose.
Hi, Barney. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Baby Bob.
Bob.
I know where Jackson is. Ready or not, here he comes.
Oh.
Hi, guys. How do I look? You look great.
From the way you're dressed, it looks like you want to play football, Jackson.
I do. I want to be on a real football team.
Okay, down, set.
Oh. Whoa, here he comes.
Oops. Sorry, Barney. I can't see very well.
Oh, well, here, let me help. Football is a very good game, Jackson, but I think you need to grow just a bit more before this uniform fits.
I think so, too. But while you're growing, you can still practice playing football with us. Really?
Yeah, we can help you, because that's what friends do.
Oh, that way, you'll be a great football player when you're old enough to join the team.
Yeah!
When you're old enough to join the team, you'll go running down a field of green. You'll be big and tall as you carry the ball when you're old enough to join the team.
Family and friends make a happy sound as you kick, catch, throw, and run around.
Okay,
Cheering out loud, calling your name, watching you play the football game.
Oh, exciting.
When you're old enough to
join the team. You'll go running down a field of green. You'll be big and tall as you carry the ball when you're old enough to join the team. Okay, Jesse, get the ball. Good one. Nice. There he goes back. Up. Here we go. One more time.
We gotta score this time, guys.
When you're old enough to join the team, you'll go running down a field of green.
I'll be big and tall as I carry the ball when I'm old enough to join the team.
They'll be calling your name when you play the big game. When you're old enough to join the team.
Oh, yeah! Oh, football's fun, but I still love baseball best. Hey, you know what we're missing? A bat! I'm gonna go find one.
Okay, I'll help you, BJ.
Me too.
Okay, bye-bye now.
I wonder why he didn't see you. I do. Hello. Wow, look.
Wow, it looks like you used almost everything.
We did. We couldn't find just one game to play, so we're playing lots of games at the same time. And we can take turns going from game to game.
Oh, I think it looks super duper.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Is everyone ready to play?
We sure are.
Well, I don't think I can play. Oh, why not? Because,
What's wrong, baby Bob? Why don't you want to play the games?
I don't know how. And some of the games look hard.
Oh, but they also look fun, right?
Uh-huh.
And you'll be playing with BJ and your friends. And all they want is for you to have a good time.
But what if I can't do all the games?
Oh, that doesn't matter, as long as you're having fun. And it's always fun to try something new. Would you like to skate? Give it a try. Don't hesitate. Me, oh my. Give it a try, and when you're done, you might find out you had some fun. When you try to do something new, you might be surprised at what you like to do. Doody-doody-doo. You might like something new.
Well, I might.
New food on your plate, give it a try. Time for your taste, me, oh my.
Give it a try, and at the end, you might even try it again.
When you try to do something new, you might be surprised at what you like to do. Doody-doody-doo. You might like something new.
I think I might. Ooh, what else can I do?
A new game to play, give it a try.
A new word to say, me, oh my.
Give it a try, and when you're done,
You might find out you had some fun.
yeah.
When you try to do something new, you might be surprised at what you like to do.
Doody-doody-doo. I might like something new.
Doody-doody-doo. You might like something new. You might.
Oh, what do you say, Sissy? Will you give our games a try?
You might not think you're big enough, but we can help you because that's what friends do.
Right.
Well, yes, I want to play all your games.
Oh, great. Then let's suit up. Oh, everybody, follow me. Up, 2, 3, 4. 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 And stop. Is everybody ready?
Yeah!
Oh, boy. Then let the games begin. Whoa. This will be so much fun. Yes, it's a perfect day for having fun. We'll run and play out in the sun. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, sunny day. All right.
We're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day. I did it. Play some catch, or climb a tree, or fly a kite. If we catch a breeze, it's the perfect day. Do as you please. It's a fun, fun, sunny day.
We're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day. We're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun, funny, a sun, sun, sunny, a fun, fun, sunny day. Yeah, I did it! I want to do it again. Oh, please.
Did you see Baby Butt make that shot?
Yeah, she was great.
And BJ was awesome at basketball.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes, he was. There. I think we've got everything ready to put away.
Barney, you forgot your whistle.
Oh, well, thank you. Oh, you know, the games we played today gave our bodies lots of exercise in a fun way. Oh, I feel stewed.
These things away. Yeah, I'll help. I think